Are you drowning in AI tools but stuck wondering how to make real money? If you're new to AI, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Too many tools, too much tech, and zero clarity on earning potential. But what if you could skip the tech headaches, skip product creation, and launch your own AI store today with no inventory, no coding, and near zero startup cost? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how one tiny investment can leapfrog you into owning a legit AI-powered online business. In this video, I'll break down what AI Store Fortune actually is, the benefits, the earning potential, and my honest perspective on whether it's worth it. What is AI Store Fortune? AI Store Fortune is a done-for-you WordPress WooCommerce store that comes preloaded with hundreds of GPTs and tens of thousands of AI prompts, ready to sell right out of the box. The site comes with professional copy, a DFY blog, account management for your customers, and integrated payment systems. Why it helps beginners. For anyone overwhelmed with AI, this eliminates the need to design, write, or build anything from scratch. You get a working store for a one-time price of around $27 with a 30-day money-back guarantee. There are no recurring monthly costs, and you actually own your site outright. What are the key features? You can set it up fast by importing a WordPress backup file. The store is preloaded with 180 GPTs and 10,000 prompts packaged into 70-plus products. If you choose the upgrade, you get 300-plus GPTs and 20,000 prompts across more than 110 products. The design is professional, built on WooCommerce, with customer accounts, payments, and even a ready-to-use blog. They also include marketing materials like a promo video, social templates, and email swipes. You can easily expand the store later by adding your own products or new PLR prompts. The earning potentiel. This is ideal for affiliates, local marketers, beginners, or anyone wanting to monetize AI without building from scratch. You earn through direct sales of GPTs and prompts, and the upsells add more potential. Because digital products have almost no cost to deliver, your margins can be very high. But remember, this isn't magic money. Your results will depend on your marketing effort. Balanced perspective. Testers say the setup is fast, the store looks professional, and everything works right away. Compared to Shopify, you avoid monthly fees and complicated setups. But there are limitations. You will need hosting and a domain name, and you'll still need to drive traffic to make sales. This isn't a push-button riches system, but it's a very affordable shortcut into owning your own AI business. So, if you're fed up with complexity, tired of subscription fees, and just want a fast, low-cost route to monetizing AI Store. Fortune gives you the store, the products, and the marketing tools. All you need to do is drive the traffic. Start small, launch quickly, and test it out risk-free with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Here's my call to action. Don't just watch AI opportunities pass you by. Grab this one today. Click the link in the description, use the coupon code for an instant discount, and launch your own AI store before the wave gets too crowded. This is one of the lowest cost, highest leverage ways to step into the AI economy right now. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more sharing like this, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI business you'd like to start. But most importantly, take action today. The earlier you start, the faster you'll see results. Hold on, your 300% AI profit program is waiting. Spots are filling fast. Click the link below this video now and start making profits before you miss out.